वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल स्प्रिंग बर्ड। आज आपण आलेलो आहोत स्प्रिंगफील्डला। ही इलिनॉय स्टेटची राजधानी आहे। इथे आहे अब्राहम लिंकनचं हाऊस। त्याचा टूर घ्यायसाठी आपण इथे आलेलो आहे। अब्राहम लिंकन हे यूएसचे 16 प्रेसिडेंट होते आणि ते त्यांच्या कार्याबद्दल खूप प्रसिद्ध आहेत। आता आपण जातोय विजिटर सेंटरला। इथनं आपल्याला त्या होम टूरसाठी फ्री पासेस मिळतात। त्या घेऊन आपण आता निघतोय हे होम टूरच्या विजिटसाठी। आपल्यासोबत असतात आपल्या होम टूरचे गाईड। ते आपल्याला या घराबद्दलची सर्व इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगतात।
And just sleeping in a loft. There was just 3 of them. It was just Abraham, Mary, and baby Labo. But as their family expanded, they expanded the home around them, renovating the house 9 times over the 17 years in which they lived here, with the final renovation being the addition of the second floor, from 1855 to 1856. Now, after the tour of the Police an exhibit on the link.
घरामध्ये एंटर केल्यावर आपण सर्वप्रथम बघणार आहोत लिव्हिंग रूम। चला बघूया।
Lincoln today, and that places us as part of a long line of people who come into this room to be greeted by the Lincolns. We would be greeted by them at the wall and seated in some of the black wholesale furniture that you see around the room. As besides this one rocking chair that I'm currently pointing at, all the other pieces of black wholesale furniture here in this room are actually original to the Lincolns. Probably about 50 original pieces we have remaining here in the home. The rest you'll see being antiques or reproductions. Now, I'd also like to add that there are plenty of examples of guests that Lincolns had here in this room. One of my favorites actually being
ही आहे डायनिंग रूम। ही आहे सिटिंग रूम।
Okay, so this is the sitting room. Now, the sitting room and the parlor are pretty similar. They're both gathering spaces. The main difference is really what they would be used for, because the parlor was a formal space that should be closed up when it's not in use.
आता आपण जातोय अपस्टेअर्सला।
French until 12 years of formal education.
या बेडरूम मध्ये प्रिझर्व करून ठेवलेला आहे अब्राहम लिंकन यांची वाईफ मॅरी लिंकन यांचा ड्रेस। आता आपण एंटर करतोय किचन रूम मध्ये। आणि ही शेगडी बघा किती छान आहे।
Okay, so this is the final but smallest stop on our tour. This is the kitchen. Now, according to the catalog, they bought it from. I will say as well that is a bit of a misnomer. that $15 price was not the actual price because it doesn't list the shipping costs. And given that it's a 600-pound cast-iron stove that was shipped from Buffalo, New York to Springfield by train, I don't think the Lincolns are getting free shipping or any of that 1 to 2 day shipping we're used to either. It's probably going to cost them a premium and take it a few weeks just to get all the pieces here to Springfield. But they bought that stove because they were seeking to feed more people as they were about to embark on Lincoln's presidential campaign. I really love this stove. They actually loved it so much that she wanted to take it with her to Washington, D.C. They didn't have enough space in the White House kitchens for it.
किचनमधून एक्झिट घेऊन आम्ही आता बॅकयार्डला आलो आहे. या लिंकन हाऊसच्या 4 ब्लॉकच्या नेबरहूडमध्ये अनेक हिस्टॉरिकल एक्झिबिट्स आहे. ते तुम्ही सेल्फ गाइडेड बेसिसवर बघू शकता. त्यातलं आम्ही विजिट केलं हे एक्झिबिट. घराचं आर्किटेक्चर बघा किती सुंदर आहे. हे डीन हाऊस आहे. तुम्हाला कसा वाटला हा लिंकन हाऊसचा टूर आम्हाला जरूर कमेंट करून सांगा. डू लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब टू अवर चॅनल स्प्रिंग बर्ड. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.